All right, it's been a couple days. Had work, haven't had a chance to work on this, but here we are. I'm gonna be taking out this old wood frame and hopefully putting in a new one to match. All right, yeah.
Whenever you remove something old off, you got to see what you see underneath there and address anything. Hopefully, nothing.
In case you didn't know, if you ever buy lumber at Home Depot and you don't necessarily want to pay full price, what you can do, they have a CULL, a coal cart. I think that's how you pronounce it or spell it. They mark lumber nobody wanted to buy with purple, and it's 70% off. I think it was like $20. I got $17 off. So this whole piece of lumber that no one wanted to buy, that I only need a piece of, was less than $5. Steal.
It's okay to just stare at something for a little while till you can visualize it before you get started.
All right. Let's do some math. Yeah. 53 3/4. That's the length of this one. That's 10 inches. How thick is this? This is 7.5 inches. Alright, so we are going to have to, let's see, we're gonna have to bring in some sand here.
I'm calculating where the start of the pavers are gonna go in relation to the step.
Good enough? Come on, staple. Get out. Oh, I haven't cut that one. I was like, what is going on here? Just under 40.5. Yeah, 40.5. Oh, all right, more cuts. What the hell's going on? Something like that, so that I could backfill and then put the pavers in, and then continue with the walkway. I might need a cut there, so actually. All right. 1 foot, 2, 3, 4.5. But because I have to go the entire length, I think it'd be best to stagger them so they're not all on one side. So I'll start there, I'll do a cut there, and then I'll start here and do a cut there. I'm gonna need a lot of cuts. Alright, one day at a time. Progress. What do you think, Emmeline?